Okay, today we're looking at the S&P. You have two planetary lines. You have Saturn, the purple line, and you have Mars, the green line. Now, if we go back in history, we can see from 2002, we had a big rally that followed a Saturn line. When it broke it, you sold off one, two, three Saturn lines. Now, looking at going forward, we rally along this Saturn line, find support, We take it out briefly, but more or less we hold it. Now, if you break this for real, and currently at 2184 you have support, and let's say for good measure you also break the Saturn line at 2061, right in, you break both of these planetary lines, then you'd go down one, two, three Saturn lines. Now there's no reason why it has to go down three Saturn lines. I'm just saying if it follows the same pattern that we saw back here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 Saturn lines, it would take you down to 1209. Now I'm just saying that this rally has been bigger than this rally. If anything, you might even think, well, you're due for an even bigger correction, revert to the mean. It's been a hell of a rally for 8 years. You're overdue for a big pullback. But let's just argue, for argument's sake, let's just say that you only do three Saturn lines. That's still one heck of a correction down to 1209. So I'm just saying, give it respect. If you see the market take out two planetary lines, you should give it all due respect because this could be big. Also in the same area, we have the monthly Gann line at 2076. So if you recall, 2184 is the Mars line and 2061 is the Saturn line. Right between them, you've got the monthly Gann line. So you're taking out all three of the important Gann support levels, then you know this thing's a multi-year correction. It's going to be big. So that's just something you have to keep in mind. The cycles warned us that we should start a correction ideally on January 12th, which, oh, that's right, today. And we can't get too excited until we take out these important supports at 2184, 2076, and 2061. You take out all three, you're going to have a nasty correction, which could go on at least a year or two. And, you're going to give back a lot of the gains of the last 8 years. So just be ready for that.